In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off or turn on the suggestions mode in Google Docs that works like the track changes option that you find in the regular Microsoft Word software. So what this basically does, the suggestion mode suggests you the changes in the document without actually changing anything. And like I said, it works like the track changes option that you find in all the office productivity softwares like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and all the regular applications. So what you can do is just click on this little pen, which is for the editing mode. Click on that and you will see this suggesting option. Click on this. And let's say that you want to suggest something else, that this should be added in the current document without actually changing anything. It will be highlighted in other color, and a comments or suggestions will be added on your right. So let's say if your senior wants to accept that suggestions, they will just click on the stick and it will be permanent. Similarly, if they want to reject the suggestions, you just click on reject suggestions and that will be removed from here. So this is a very effective feature, especially if you are collectively working on a project or a proposal, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.